as a unity minister, I focus into the oneness because that's also present. You can choose to protect yourself from fear or because of the fear, or you can move your thinking into the oneness, into the loving. Okay, I am aware of this. I am aware of this happening, or this is being an attitude in that region, but I don't want to buy into this. I don't want to collaborate in this. I want to support people to move onto a higher ground, and just use the language for that. So the unity that I am creating in Europe focuses out of the religious landscape completely.
Yeah.
And the word I use is non-denominational. If they ask me about the background, yes, there was a couple. At that time, we are talking about the late 1800s, obviously in America, Protestant America. Naturally, it was based on some of the Christian ideas, but the Fillmores were not Christians. The Fillmores integrated all the Western and the best of the Western and the Eastern churches and spiritual paths. This is why it's a movement, that this is not about, and I keep on saying, no dogma, no rules. We are here to support each other, to connect with the spark and God within. If you ever want to be happy, you need to find that within yourself, within that connectedness. And the same with identity. Do you want to know your true identity? Close your eyes, breathe, and connect within. I also talk a lot about raising level of consciousness. The reason is that a lot of people think that when they have a high degree of understanding of something, that's a higher level of consciousness. Well, it's not. The higher level of consciousness is a result of working within yourself. And of course, it has a spiritual bit, which is about the meditation or visualization and all these kind of things that you do within yourself. And part of it is the personal development bit. And in Unity, we use the personal development bit as releasing limitations. Releasing limitations means that we believe that the reason why we do not live this really high level of consciousness like Buddha had, or Jesus had, or Moses had, all the rest of it, is because we are limited. There are a lot of limitations. So personal development helps us track down these limitations. The question is, do you want to be a happy person and be connected with this greatness that being connected to the divine offers to you? If yes, you need to remove the limitations, these barriers between you and the divine presence. And personal development helps you to do that. But it's not vice versa. So it's not like, I do all this personal development work, which Europeans do, to be very clever about myself. So we are very happy that you know everything about psychology. You've read all the books. You understand everything. So let's turn within and let's use what you've learned. So what is it that you're angry about with yourself? Can you forgive? So let's do some forgiveness.